G'day guys, this is just a quick update. Oh, not really a quick one, but I finally got my engine in. Got it mounted up to the back of the gearbox down there. Fuck it was a mission, eh? Like, I don't know, like, sorry, just wasn't lining up at all. So fuck, I had to take out both of the drive shafts to the front diff and to the back diff, and the transmission mount. I had to loosen that off so I could not force it, but screw a couple of bolts up into it, to sort of guide it up in there. So yeah, so all I've really got to do now is put my drive shafts back on, just nip up a couple of bolts here and there. As you can see, like, freshly painted engine, and it just got scratched, so note to self, yeah, maybe not paint everything, I don't know, or get someone else to come help you. So yeah. Sorry I haven't updated in a while. I had a couple of problems. I had to get for my engine crane, new hydraulic jack for that. It took a bit, and then yeah, ever since then it's just been a bit of cunt to put in. So by myself anyway. This is the first manual engine, like, you know what I mean, manual gearbox that I've actually had to put in. Like, when I rebuilt my VR Commodore in high school, it was an auto, so we just took the whole thing out, you know what I mean, and put it in. Might do that next time, I don't know, take the whole gearbox out and put it in like that as well. So next couple of things I have to do now would be just get my exhaust manifold. It's just past fucking the 30th of June, so I should be getting my tax money soon for my my diesel pump, so that should be going pretty soon. Then injectors, glow plugs, and just clean up some of these. So I'm gonna get a auto sparky to come in and just fuck off all these wires that I don't need, and just make it look a lot cleaner as well, you know, fix it up a bit. What else is there?